Whatever you do, never hurt the ego of your potential customers, buyers, people who are coming to your store, people who are coming to your webinars. Don't do that. Now, but some of you would say, but Rahul, you told us that you can also scold people. How does that not hurt their ego? Well, the reason being, I have created that sort of an authority. You haven't done that yet. You will take some time to do that. And the second thing is, my role is different. I am here as your mentor, as your coach. So it is my duty to scold you if you're not doing the right thing. But maybe your business model is different. Maybe your work is different. Maybe your industry is different. And therefore, if you hurt your customer, there might be a very strong probability that they might just never buy from you. That's how some people are. So you need to interact with them in such a manner that you prove to them that whatever they are saying might not be the right thing, but you don't need to hurt them. I'll give you an example. For example, your customer is saying, no, this is not what I want. I want you to reduce the pricing. Now you won't say कि अगर यार पैसे नहीं है तो आए क्यों मेरी दुकान पे? Of course, you won't say that, right? What you will say to them is, Ankur, I am with you. I am completely with you. However, the product that is being provided to you is having this quality, this quality, this quality, and that's the reason why it is priced at this particular price or this particular fees, or this is what you need to invest, or this is what you need to spend. So you need to go with the I am with you approach, so that you should not make them feel wrong, belittle them, or hurt their ego, but you also get the sale in your favor. That's how you do it. The second thing is, you can say that, see, I would definitely want to help you. I'm totally with you. But our company norms don't allow us to reduce this pricing further. I can't do it. I am totally with you. There might be other people who might be selling it at a lesser pricing, but our quality is more important. Our quality is so amazing. Our quality is far more superior to them. And sir, you are an intelligent person. I don't think that you will compromise on the quality just to save a few hundreds of rupees. Now, what you have done is you have elevated his or her ego by saying that. Now he will never go from there. Now he's never going to go from there. Do you understand? That's the thing. This is what you need to tell people. So you are so intelligent. क्या आप सिर्फ कुछ पैसों के लिए इतनी प्रीमियम क्वालिटी की चीज से कॉम्प्रोमाइज करोगे? आप ही बताओ. आप तो ऐसा कर ही नहीं सकते हो ना. चल बेटा पैक कर दे इनके लिए. Now what do you think? वो बंदा नहीं बोलेगा ना ऐसा कि अरे नहीं 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 मुझे नहीं करना है. So don't hurt their ego, but get the sale done in your favor. That's the thing. That's what you got to do. Very important. Because unfortunately, जो सबसे ज्यादा प्रॉब्लम है यहाँ पे, जो हमको देखना पड़ेगा वहां पे, वो ये कि आपकी जो अपॉर्चुनिटी है, जो आपको लोगों को बताना है, वो इस तरीके से बताना है कि उनकी अपॉर्चुनिटी कि वो कभी भी हर्ट ना हो. दैट्स इंपॉर्टेंट. आपको इस तरीके से लोगों से इंटरेक्शन करना है. गॉट इट? नाउ द टास्क फॉर यू इज, व्हाई शुड यू नेवर हर्ट द ईगो ऑफ योर पोटेंशियल कस्टमर्स? Why should you never hurt the ego of your potential customers? Right?